Dear participants, now it's time to share some tips in order to have a wonderful experience using Microsoft Teams. If you're using your cell phone, you will find different icons. The first one is for your camera. Remember to keep your camera off unless you are going to talk. Next, you will find a microphone. Turn on your microphone if you are going to talk to. Here, next to that, you will find 3 dots. And here is for more options. You will find different options, but sharing a screen is one important. So you can share a photo or something that you have in your gallery, or you can share screen. If you're gonna share a video with some audio, remember to activate the audio first. Then on the upper corner, you will find the chat box. So you can send any comment, any question to the whole group. Also add emojis or GIFs, as you can see here. Next to the chat box, you will find 2 people. That means the participants. So you can see all the participants and send private messages to one of them. If you're using your laptop, remember you need to download the desktop version. You will see the same icons for participants. You have the chat box. You can type messages, questions. You can add GIF, emojis, stickers. Also, you can attach any file from your computer or share links and so on. You have these for icons, like if you like something, if you want to raise your hand because you want to participate, you have all the options here. If you click on the 3 dots, you will find different options, the gallery. You can apply background effect to your videos, as you can see, the one that I am using. So you can select one of them. You need a good illumination in front in order to get a good background effect. Next, you have also the option to share screen here. So remember to include computer sound before you share. So you can share the whole screen or a window, just part of your presentation. If I click on the participants again, I will find the 3 dots. I have the option to download the attendance list. I don't need to be sending any link. I just download and it will report what time you access, when you leave the room, and so on. So everything will be registered in here. So this is something amazing from Microsoft Teams. Continue.